Now, you're probably wondering why I have two Wadia 16 players going at the same time. This is not only because I can, but because I got this orange cable and just bought that, and it's a optical glass optical fiber cable, which Wadia suggests as a primary means if you want to use it as a DAC or as a transport, being superior to both the ASVU XLR SPD for Toslink. So this thing works as a DAC and maximum level, because I use electro company preamps, and then this particular disc has pre-emphasis and de-emphasis 44.1 kHz and input is 1, whereas on that one it's muted and the same emphasis light is on and 44 kHz and output 1. Display on that one is much brighter than on mine, and that's a customer's unit. It did not survive the journey to Darwin and came back for repairs, and I think I've done it now. It's a intermittent fault on a like a board between servo board and laser mechanism. So this is just you know, to brag that I can use two Wadias, one as a transport, one as a DAC. Well, to the next one. Bye bye.